Hello, I'm Tai Hui, the Chief Market Strategist for Asia Pacific from JP Morgan Asset Management, and welcome to this video discussing the key investment themes from our fourth quarter 2020 Guide to the Markets Asia. Now, there are three things that we think investors in Asia should continue to focus on as we approach the end of a very difficult year. I call it the three Ps: pandemic, policies, and politics. Now, in terms of the pandemic, we don't have a permanent solution yet, and this means we are likely to go through phases of stop-start between outbreak and resuming economic activities. So economic rebound in the fourth quarter and going into 2021 is likely to slow down. Many developed economies may need to wait until 2022 to return to the pre-pandemic level of economic activities. Some markets are likely to see more robust recovery, like China, given its ability to contain the pandemic. Then we come to policies. A lot has already been done to reduce borrowing costs and provide support to businesses and families. Governments are still expected to continue to support their economies with tax relief and spending plans. This means higher fiscal deficits for this year and next year. But central banks will help to keep borrowing costs low. The Federal Reserve's latest monetary policy framework would also help to keep policy rates lower for longer. On politics, all eyes will be on the US elections on November 3rd. At this point, there are still plenty of factors that could impact on the outcome. It's important for investors to recognize that no matter who becomes the next president, it would be difficult to push ahead with major legislative changes if the House of Representatives and the Senate remains divided between the Republicans and the Democrats. Investors may show some relief on the clarification on the political outlook after the elections. Investors will need to take into account all three Ps when planning on their portfolio construction and asset allocation. In our next video, we'll discuss in more detail what should Asian investors consider when it comes to asset allocation towards the final quarter of 2020. Thanks for watching. We will have two other videos discussing overall asset allocation and the outlook in income. If you want to get a copy of the latest guide to the markets, please reach out to your JP Morgan Asset Management client advisor.